Oh, straight away, there's some shape. Very, very good to me. Looks like the ball is in, he's out. Oh, no. Missed it. Direct hit, second cover, living goal.
His knee's fine now, a bit taken off. We're all concerned about this knee, but I'll tell you what a delivery that was from Neil Joe. Very first ball.
Oh no, oh no. Oh, it's missed. It's missed. Just a bit. The curse on. He's so close. Over the top. All runs. The second cover.
I'll tell you what, this arm can't well too, because it might get the full extension, but I'll tell you what, he can do what he likes at the moment. It's just a terrific delivery, and if this lodged the number one batsman, there's action hero at his best. Good shot. Nicely tucked around the corner. Yeah, Chippen's nice little points this time of year. This one taken second time. Growing in confidence, shots like that. Well, there you go. Might need another bat there, because this one's in half. There's no doubt that he's going to be one of his favourites. Oh, confusion again. This could be close for Trek Tip. Yeah, but in the gap.
Silakan pojok dulu. Jod.
Delivery down the left side, go on, maybe no mistake.
A bit short.
There we go. Let's stay here. Yes, it's all right. Just carrots. What happened? Wait. There's a chance out. He's got him all right this time. And he's got him. I'm sure he's got him. Matthews isn't going to hang around. They're going to refer it upstairs, but he's on his way. And yes, it came with a run out. Maybe a bit too late, but it was always on the cards. He looks well short of his ground. This is going to be well short diving for his ground. So is it too late? Partnership's been broken. 26 valuable runs, really world class. It was actually Warner. Really is a special innings under enormous pressure. Could be out. That's out. Oh man, how big a wicket is that? It's Jay Warner. He's got his 100 and now he's gone. And Afghanistan are right in the mix here. Big time. What a great shot. Get off the mark. It's hard again. This won't be cut off. This one will be four. He's just getting too short here. Needs to find a better end. He's going to pay the price.